struggling to make profitable trades while trading, reversal, momentum, or even swing trading? Don't worry, because we've got a game-changing strategy that could turn things around for you. In this video, I'll walk you through a trading approach designed for traders who are committed to success. Not only that, I'll also share the backtesting results with you and show you how you can turn it into a fully automated bot with alerts just before the end of the video, so make sure to stick around until the end. So grab your TradingView account, pick a chart or time frame, totally up to you, and let's dive into a fantastic new technique. First up, head over to the indicator section. In the search bar, type corrected QWMA and you should see it pop up in the results. Click on it to add it to your chart. Next, we need to tweak the settings to fit our trading style. Open the settings menu for this indicator and adjust the parameters so that you get the best results for your strategy. But what's the corrected QWMA indicator all about? The corrected QWMA is a great tool that automatically generates buy and sell signals right on your chart. You'll spot these signals marked as L for long and S for short, making it super easy to spot potential trades. However, sometimes this indicator might give you counter trend signals, which can mess with your strategy, but don't stress, we've got a solution for that. To filter out those pesky false signals and make your trading more accurate, we'll use a confirmation tool. The Maxi VWAP indicator, once it's on your chart, we need to fine tune its settings to match your trading strategy. Click on the gear icon next to the indicator's name, or simply double click on the indicator to open the settings panel and adjust it as needed. All right, let's talk about the rules for sell trades. Here's a simple game plan to help you snag those profits. Start by looking for an S signal from the corrected QWMA indicator. This is your cue to think about a sell trade. Next, check for confirmation from the Maxi VWA P indicator. You'll want to see a column below the mid-level and the Maxi line hanging up below the mid-level as well. Once both indicators align, it's go time. You can confidently enter that sell trade. For your stop loss, set it above the recent swing high or align it with the corrected QWMA lines. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. But if you want to push the profit factor to the limit, make sure to watch the video until the end because I have a solution for you. Now let's cover the buy trade rules. Look for an L signal from the corrected QWMA indicator. This is your green light to consider a buy trade. Get confirmation from the Maxi VWAP indicator. Look for a column above the mid-level and the Maxi line also above the mid-level. Once both indicators give you the thumbs up, it's time to make your move and enter the buy trade. Protect your investment by setting your stop loss below the recent swing low or aligning it with the corrected QWMA lines. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now it's time to back and forward test it, but before that, if you're finding our contents useful and want to see more proven trading tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest content. Sharing this video with fellow traders helps us grow our community, and your comments and feedback are always appreciated. They keep us motivated and help us tailor content to your needs. Thanks for your support and for being a part of our trading journey. I'm using the Solana 15-minute chart for this. By examining how this indicator performs, you'll see just how well it helps eliminate false signals and keep your focus on trades that truly matter. This will definitely boost your chances of success in the fast-paced world of trading. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Wow, the results here are truly impressive. I do want to point out that real-time results might vary a bit due to factors like spreads, fees, and your mindset when you start trading. To help you minimize false trades and boost your profit potential, I highly recommend checking out our 3 videos on FIAB levels, risk management, and the human factor in trading, all available in our Trading University playlist. And don't miss our other video where I'll show you how to turn any trading strategy into a fully automated bot with alerts, plus another video which you won't regret watching. That's all for now. Catch you in the next video.